Alright guys, so today's video is a crazy one. So first, just now we had the Travis Scott Jordan 1 shock drop, which is pretty crazy. And then I also have two reviews for you guys, two shoe reviews. I'm not sure if I mentioned them in videos, but I got the Air Max Susan missing link, and I also got the Jordan 4 Bred early because of the sneakers, the scratch thing. You had to scratch the logo inside the vault. And then the Travis Scott shock drop. So first I'm going to talk about the shock drop, then the review, because this is just mad. I'm just going to say it first. I copped a pair, guys. I literally copped a pair of the Travis Scott Jordan 1s, and I also deleted my earlier video where I did a Supreme live cop because I messed it up, and I copped the Supreme Swarovski box logo. Guys, it's insane. I copped the Supreme Swarovski box logo in a medium, red medium. I wish I could have gone for a hoodie or a white tee just because it was actually easier than I thought of a drop. And then now we have the Travis Scott's. That's, oh my god, guys, it's just insane to me. So pretty much what happened, you know, I was just like, you know, just on my phone, my computer, whatever. Then all of a sudden, I just start I couldn't even read the notifications on my phone just because so many of them just popped up all of a sudden. It was just like, you have 20 new notifications, you have 30 new notifications for an app. So I couldn't even read it, but I just knew it had to be something about Travis Scott. So I just turned to my computer, I started hitting every single bookmark that I had, and then all of a sudden I see the Travis Scott Jordan 1 shoe pop up. I click on it, I select a size 9, I was so in shock, I just hit a size 9. Then I hit checkout. Of course, I wasn't fast enough like bots or the first people, I guess. So I got put in a queue, and somehow after a few minutes of being in the queue, I got through and I saw the shipping page, and I was just shocked, guys. I was completely shocked. And so then obviously I'm being as fast as I can, trying to fill the info and everything. Obviously I can screen record this just because, I mean, I would have taken an L by taking 3 to 5 seconds trying to set up screen recording. I put in my shipping, the shipping option loads pretty quick. I selected go to payment. It's processing for about 15 seconds. Then it says order confirmed, and I just start shaking and I lose it so hard, guys. I was done. I just lost it. So pretty much I'm gonna put a success picture up right here. And that's just crazy, guys. You guys can see here, I actually copped the Travis Scott Jordan 1 in a size 9 too, and that's the sizes on these aren't like normal Jordan 1s just because every single size is crazy hype, so it's not like a 8, 8.5 are necessarily the exact best sizes, but a 9 is still really good. I don't care, over $1,000 shoe. I'm obviously selling it. It's not even my size anyways. I'm just shocked. So we got these and the Swarovski box logo tee, two in like the same 4 days or whatever it's been. Yeah, I think like 4 or 5 guys. So as I was saying, that's just crazy. Supreme Swarovski box logo, Travis Scott Jordan 1. The Bred 4s I'm about to show you guys are sort of a brick, honestly, but who cares. Then the Susan missing link Air Maxes. So let's just get into the review. So the first one I'm gonna do is gonna be the Jordan 4 Breds. I'm still shocked on this Travis Scott shoe, guys. I'm gonna try and upload this video as quick as possible. So I'm one of the first people, I guess, to cover the drop, although I don't know, guys. So first we got the classic Jordan 4 box. You guys already know. Wrapping, open that up. And we actually got these shoes, guys. I already looked at them, so I'm chill right now. The Jordan 4 Breds, guys, black cements, whatever y'all want to call it. That's just crazy, guys. Look it. So these are in a size 10. These Air Maxes. So the Air Max Susans, Bred 4s, Travis Scott Jordan 1s. This is crazy. Of course, I'm gonna do a review for the Travis Scotts and the Supreme Swarovski when it comes in. But other than that, I am an ultimate cook right now. I'm a cook god right now. I mean, I only did get one pair, but alright, still, I'm shocked. But other than that, it's been Boy Slug Sneakers, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.